Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're tackling a question you've probably had if you've worked with adhesives. Why those 300 ml packages? You see them everywhere. Electronics, automotive, medical devices, industrial manufacturing, even home improvement. So why do brands like Henkel, 3M, Dow, and Sika stick with this size? Let's dive in. Right off the bat, 300 ml is the global standard for a reason. It's a perfect fit. It slots into everything: manual guns, XYZ robots, 6-axis arms, full automation, even your caulk gun for a DIY project. That compatibility's massive, but there's more. It holds enough adhesive to keep things moving without constant swaps. Less downtime, more efficiency. Plus, it's cost-effective. Standardized production keeps prices down for pros and homeowners alike. For manual use, it's a breeze. Light, easy to grip, no hand cramps, whether you're sealing an electronics or caulking a bathroom. In automation, it's a star, delivering steady, precise flow for thick stuff like epoxies or silicones. It's adaptable too. Great for a robot-run factory or a quick home fix. Bonus, it cuts waste. With a good dispenser, you're not over-squeezing or tossing half-cured leftovers. Perfect for precision jobs like PCB assembly or tidy grout lines. It keeps reactive adhesives fresh too, avoiding spoilage you'd get with bigger barrels. From battery encapsulation to weekend warrior projects, 300 ml makes everything smoother, faster, and greener. While it's awesome for manual tasks, it's a beast in automation, and that's where we're headed next. In our upcoming episode, we'll reveal a slick dispensing system built just for 300 ml adhesives. Think next-level precision and control. Hit subscribe and stay tuned.